Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share music from Spotify as a note on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application and then we're going to go to the Instagram direct messages to open up the Instagram note. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this option, your note. And if you want to share music from Spotify as a note on Instagram, we can click on this music option. And here you will get share from Spotify menu. Okay, and for your information that this feature is not available for everyone. And I think the Instagram developer gave us this feature gradually. And I'm going to click on how it works to show you the detailed information about this feature. Okay, and you can read this feature isn't available to everyone. Okay, and then you can share what you're listening to on Spotify as a note on Instagram. This is for this step. And then I'm going to go back. I'm going to click on this this icon. All right, and then I'm going to start playing a music on my Spotify. I'm going to open up my Spotify and then I'm going to play random music. Okay, wait guys. All right, now the music is being played and then I'm going to go back to my Instagram note. All right, and as you can see that the music from the Spotify has been automatically or directly shared to this note. Okay, and when you change the music, it will be automatically updated on your note. Okay, I'm going to change it and let's see. Okay, the music has been updated, and once you're done, you can click on share here. But before it, you can choose the audience for the Instagram note. I'm just going to choose my followers and then we can click on share. All right, now the notes has been shared to my Instagram account guys. Okay, when you have shared this note, I think we won't be able to update it anymore. Let me change it. Okay, it's not updated if you have shared the note. Okay, and that's all the way to share a music from Spotify to Instagram note. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.